To create a new event, navigate to the Events page. If you are in the All Teams context, navigate to the page where you want to create a new event. Click on the yellow Add Event button on the top right of the screen. In the sidebar that opens, fill out the required and optional fields. Enter a descriptive event name that contains important keywords you will likely be searching for. Start and end date are mandatory, but don't worry, you can always change them. The person who creates the event is its default owner, but you can delegate ownership to another team member. If this program aligns with any of the key corporate initiatives, pick it from the initiatives list. Only one initiative per event is allowed. You can define the geography more precisely if the program runs only in some retailer divisions. Any relevant keywords can also be associated with the event. Use tags for that purpose. Many tags are allowed. Click Save to create the event. While this event doesn't have any spend or tactical details in it, it can already be seen on the calendar. To enter tactics, click on the event name in the Events List page. Or click Go to Event in Event Preview sidebar. Learn how to navigate event details in our next video, How to Navigate Event Details.